Okay, so as you can probably see from the title, there's going to be a couple changes coming. I decided I'm going to start streaming on Twitch. And let me explain why. So to start off, nothing's really going to change on the YouTube channel. We're going to keep going as we're doing. The only change is going to be there's going to be no live streams here. But we only did live streams like, what, 1 or 2 the past couple months anyways? The reason I'm going to go to Twitch is because I actually really enjoy doing those live streams and I want to do more of them. I really like talking to you guys and getting to know how to solve problems on there. But here's why I'm going to be doing it on Twitch rather than YouTube. First, I'm almost confident that live streams make your other videos perform worse. Which is not the end of the world, but that's just one little reason. The second reason is my goal for the channel is to be able to provide learning in a very concise format, and that's not what live streams are. Third point, the live streams on the channel have to be very well prepared. They have to be planned out in advance because this live stream is going to stay on the channel forever. After that live stream is over, it's pretty much just another video. I want live streams to be kind of a more fun and open environment where maybe things don't go right on there. Maybe they do. Maybe we'll learn something. But it doesn't necessarily have to be very strict and planned out. Maybe we'll get derailed from the topic throughout the video. I don't know, but it'll be less serious. And then the last point kind of goes along with the other ones, but the purpose of the YouTube channel is to provide learning in a concise format about code specifically. But I want to do a little bit more than that. There's a couple things I've been interested in recently, like Figma. I want to learn how to design apps better, but that doesn't really fit into the whole coding of the channel. Maybe some live streams we just want to just talk to the audience, get to know them more. Maybe we want to play games together. Another idea brought up in the Discord was to have a community Among Us game. That's stuff that I'm definitely interested in doing and I definitely want to do, but it doesn't really fit into the whole coding channel. So those are the 4 main reasons why I'll be trying out Twitch. I want to be doing live streams a lot more often. I want to cover a broader array of topics. I want to get to know you guys more. And I think it'll overall just be a more fun time on there. The goal is to do at least 1 live stream a week. We'll start out with probably Saturday morning since that's the only time I really have open. But hopefully we'll expand more there. I know Twitch deals with notifications better, so they send out a little notification. I'll make sure to tag the topic of it, whether we're doing design, whether we're doing coding, whether maybe we're playing a game or something. So you can join whether you want or not. But yeah, that's the plan. More live streams, less serious live streams, and just overall having a good time. So if you want to join me on there during live streams, the links are going to be in the description and everything. And I can't wait to see you there.